Hi, my name is Shrivardhan. I run a logistics company called Trans India.
My name is Sharath. I'm a co-founder of Lux. We sell tablet PCs to the suburban Indian consumer.
Hi, I'm Nitin Kohli. I'm the Managing Director of MK Ferncraft Private Limited.
We have over 50 employees in our organization.
We are about 75 people right now, and we expect to grow to about 250 people in the next 6 to 8 months. Our business essentially has two audience types. One is the channel partner and one is the end consumers themselves.
In all, we have a staff of about 80 to 100 people, and our company is basically all about furniture and interiors.
Ours is a book and ship model where customers walk into the experience zones. We decided to create this entire business model of a touch, feel and experience environment.
The main difficulties which we face in is the manpower, because you'll realize that logistics industry in India is the second most unorganized sector. Most of our work is done over phone. We have installed around 20-30 Reliance phones all over India.
Bandwidth is an issue when you're working with remote teams across the country, especially in a country like India. So we are primarily looking at solutions that will help us, for example, manage our billings at each of these experience zones.
The major challenge is the coordination between the head office, the factory and the sites. It would be wonderful to have something which can actually manage our stocks and so that it's there online 24 hours.
There is no time for emails and other technology kind of instruments. Technology is something which probably we'll look at after 4-5 years.
Most of the bookkeeping is done on Tally. Other than that, like I mentioned, it's all on slips of paper. We clearly want to take all of this onto a portal format, but so far we haven't come across any solutions that can help us do that quickly.
Like an office like ours, the design team, they use technology because we are all CAD based. The accounts team, obviously they are using their technology, and the most commonly one which is available in India is Tally.
Indian SMBs will primarily work on trust, references. They need awareness, they need some sort of availability and support, and they need affordability.
See, whenever we are buying anything which is technology based, we rely a lot on information given to us by people who have already used the product. And everybody wants things to be done yesterday, not today, not tomorrow. So if there is a solution where we can provide our customers with a quicker product, why not?